Hello students, once again welcome back to our channel VA Academy. Now today the chemistry part 2, then we will discussing about the important bits regarding our competitive exams. Let us start. The first question, example of concentrated acid is, the right answer is C, nitric acid. The second question, the toxic acid in the chief part of, the right answer is baking powder. The third question, National Chemical Lab present in, the right answer is Pune. The next question, deuterium nucleus contains, the right answer is B, one proton and one neutron, also one electron. The right answer also this one. Okay. The next question, the pH value of rainwater is, the right answer is 5.6. The sixth question is, the greenhouse effect is due to, the right answer is A, increasing of the CO2 in the atmosphere. The greenhouse effect in warming of earth surface, troposphere, the lowest layer of the earth, caused by the presence of water vapors, CO2, methane, and some certain other gases in the air. These gases are known as greenhouse gases. Water vapor has the largest effect. The next question. In the nuclear reactor, the best nuclear fuel is uranium 235, because the uranium 235 is simply easy to splitting part of the available in nature, also 0.7%. The power plants are nuclear fission reaction will take place. The next question, who is known as the father of the chemistry? The right answer is D, Lavoisier. The question number 9. How many non-metals are present in the periodic table? This is actually 18 metals, but sometimes they are asking the same question, they are giving the answer 17 also. So you please consider either 17 or 18 according to the choice of the bits. Okay, students. The next question, the watermelon model of an atom was proposed by the watermelon theory was proposed by J.J. Thomson. The right answer is J.J. Thomson. According to J.J. Thomson, the watermelon experiment, this theory was explained, the watermelon is cut it off. The red part is assuming is the nucleus, that sheets are present in it is known as the electrons, according to this theory, but theory was failed. According to the modern theory, the opposite particles does not settle at the same place. How it is nucleus present in the sheets as electrons? It is against the modern law. The next question, an atom becomes cation, its atomic size will be, the right answer is decreases, because if the atom loses one electron, it becomes a positive charge. The positive charge always tends to pull the electrons towards itself. Automatically the atomic size will be decreases. Okay. The next question, the sound does not travel in vacuum. The right answer is C, sound waves does not have molecules. That is the main reason. Okay. The next question is number 13th question. What metal is used in the charging batteries? Most probably the nickel is used as the metal to charging batteries. So question number 14. Chemical treatment of surface water can be mixing of, The right answer is D, chlorine. The next question, 15th question. The rusting of iron is due to formation of, the right answer is D, ferric hydroxide. When the iron in the atmosphere, it reacts with the oxygen, it will form as a rust. For sometimes they are asking the rusting of iron is the fast reaction or slow reaction. This is the slow reaction. They are asking two type questions. Next, what was the responsible acid rains? The responsible acid rains, so most probably nitrogen dioxide and sulfur dioxide. When the fossil fuels are burning, these gases are escape in the atmosphere. They are mixing with the rain and come back to the our earth. These are the most dangerous pollution in our earth. The next question. Which acid is used in the storage batteries? Generally, the storage batteries are used sulfuric acid, H2SO4. Question number 18. Soda water contains. The soda water contains generally carbon dioxide. The next question number 19. Who was discovered oxygen? The right answer is Priestley. Next question. The plaster of Paris is obtained when? The gypsum is heated at 100 degrees centigrade. That is the right answer. 100 degrees centigrade. The gypsum is heated at 100 degrees centigrade, 120 degrees centigrade. It becomes a plaster of Paris. The plaster of Paris is used for the, if any bone is fractured, they are the obtained. This one is the used to bandage. The next question. How many non-metals are present in the periodic table? The right answer is C, 17. The next question. Which of the following is a liquid non-metal? The non-metal liquid is bromine. The metal is mercury. It is the most important bit. These bits are most important. Question number 23. What metals are used for the soldering? Frequently, this question is asking frequently. The right answer is lead and tin. Question number 24. The purification of mercury by the process of, the right answer is distillation. The next question. Ionization energy is the energy required to remove an electron from outermost orbital shell of an atom. The right answer is D, electron. The energy is required to remove an electron from outermost orbital neutral atom in gaseous states. The removing the electron. That is the right answer. The PVC plastic made up of, the right answer is vinyl chloride. It is also known as chloroethylene. Toxic gas. This is the toxic gas and flammable of organic halogen compounds. The chemical formula of C2H3Cl. The next question. White phosphorus is always kept in under the water because it is highly reactive and spontaneously ignites at about the 30 degrees in the moist air. It is usually stored under the water to prevent explosive to the air. The next question. Iron obtained from the blast furnace is, it is obtained as a pig iron. Once pig iron is manufactured from the blast furnace, it can be exchanged, it can be changed to different methods, different models. The next question. Which gas is used to prepare soda water? The right answer is carbon dioxide. Question number 30. Cooling of the molten glass is known as annealing. Annealing. If the glass is suddenly cooled, it will become say breaks. So then only once the molten glass is prepared, and then after it is the cooling very slowly. The next question. In the periodic table, the atomic number 58 to 71, these are called lanthanides. The next question. The shape of ethylene molecule is, the right answer is A. Next question. What is meant by valency electrons? The valency electrons, the right answer is the outermost orbital unfilled electrons are present. These electrons is only responsible for the chemical reactions. These electrons are called valency electrons. Next one. Chlorine molecule formed an example of what type of bond involved? The right answer is covalent bond. The chemical reactions will take place either three types. One is the ionic bond, covalent bond, and coordinate covalent bond. The covalent bond is the combination between the two atoms are similar, and the electronegativity also slight difference or same. The sharing of electrons in the covalent bond. When in the ionic bond means the ionic bond, the combination between the two atoms are maybe difference, have the electronegativity is the highly difference between them. In the ionic bond, the electron is transferred from one atom to another atom. The coordinate covalent bond. In the coordinate covalent bond, the pair of electrons are contributed from one atom only. That is the example. Sometimes they are asking the question, this question, what is the example of coordinate covalent bond? Ammonia and boron trifluoride. They are asking question also, in the coordinate covalent bond, who was the donor and who was the acceptor? In the coordinate covalent bond, ammonia is a donor, and coordinate covalent bond, that acceptor is boron trifluoride. Okay. The question also differently they are asking, in the coordinate covalent bond, the arrow mark is indicate the head part is acceptor, the tail part is donor. Please check this question, because they are frequently asking question different types. Next one. Carbohydrates are the compounds of, the right answer is B, carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. A solution containing 1 mole of solute dissolved in 1000 grams of solvent is known as 1 molar solution. The right answer is A. The right answer is B, 1 molar solution. The next question, garlic strong smell due to, the right answer is A, the mixture of sulfur. And one more thing, frequently they are asking question, when you are cutting the onion now, the tears are coming from your eyes, that is due to presence of sulfur in the onion. The next question, what are the components in the domestic gas? The domestic gas contains butane and propane. The next question, the pure water can be obtained from rainy water. Rainy water is the purest water, because when the rainy water are stored rivers, they contains number of impurities and bacteria. These are killing by the sun. So the most probably these particles, the unwanted particles are something, particles are present in that water, it will be sedimented at the bottom of the river. This water is obtained pure water. The next question, highest percentage of vehicles destroyed atmospheric pollution, that is due to lead. Right answer is A. The tape recorder, the tape was coated by ferromagnetic substances. Generally, the ferromagnetic substance means iron oxide is coated at the tape. Tape recorder, tape is coated with the ferrous oxide. The next question, which element is used in the match industries? The match industries, the phosphorus is used. The phosphorus is, the allotropy is two types. One is the white phosphorus and other one is the red phosphorus. The red phosphorus is used in the match industries, the match stick. They are using the red phosphorus. The white phosphorus is more reactive. This is also used in the rat killer. Sometimes they are asking the question, which element is used for the killing of rats? Phosphorus. The phosphorus must be the white phosphorus. So because white phosphorus is a poison, the red phosphorus is not a poison. Yes. Next question, at constant temperature the rate of chemical reaction is, the right answer is directly proportional to the product of the reactive masses. The next question, the most abundant in air of inert gas, that is helium. Generally in the atmosphere 78% of nitrogen, 21 to 23% of oxygen, 0.03% of carbon dioxide. Next question, iodine obtained from sea products, that is the right answer, because some of the persons are suffering from the thyroid, the most probably they are preferred to eat the sea products only, because the sea products contains more iodine. What substance is used for the rat killers? That is the right answer is B, zinc phosphate. The next question, what substance is used for the purification of water? The right answer is C. The next question, atomic theory was proposed by J.J. Thomson. According to J.J. Thomson, now the matter consists of small tiny particles. These particles are known as atoms. So according to Dalton atomic theory, atom cannot be further divided. But that then after they are discussing about that one, they are find out that one atom can be divisible. If the atom can be divisible, they contains the fundamental particles are protons, neutrons and electrons. The protons and neutrons are settled at the center of the atom, is known as nucleus. The electrons revolved around the nucleus just like planets revolved around the sun. This theory was Rutherford theory. Okay. According to Rutherford theory, does not explain how the electrons revolved around the nucleus as long as. Then after Niels Bohr explained the electrons revolved around the nucleus in a fixed paths. This path is known as orbit. Each and every orbit definite energy. The electrons are getting energy from the orbits and the revolving as long as. The next question, the radioactivity substance was discovered by Henry Becquerel. That is the right answer, A. Okay students, I hope this is very useful for you. So please kindly subscribe, like and share. If any have any doubts, please can be send our message to us. Thank you very much.